Good day everyone, GarageKing here, and welcome to the Drive Festival Toronto 2021. I went to it and I wanted to do a little bit of a review. We had all the generations of the Ford GT were present to see, so that was really cool to see. There was an abundance of different types of engines. For car nuts, there was stereo stuff, even saw the Batmobile, just tons of cars. I was actually really impressed, so I wanted to film some of the stuff. Now, I know you don't want to look at pictures all day, so let's go to the video. And you know what? One of the things they did have was for a $20 donation, you could have a ride in a ZL1 or a Mustang. That was pretty cool. You get to be taken around the track. The manufacturers did have test drives, so you could test drive a bunch of different vehicles. Unfortunately, they weren't high-performance vehicles. Now, what I'm showing here is the food lines were atrocious. Pack your own meals if you're going to come, because everything was pretty much sold out. So that was the only thing I wasn't happy about, was just the food situation. Maybe it'll be better next year. I don't know. Lastly, before we get into all the videos, I just wanted to show sort of a pan around of the grounds so everyone would know what it looks like. I know when I was looking for it online, I couldn't really find anything, so I figured I'd just do a quick pan around just to show you what the grounds look like. And you know what? Everything was very well laid out. Now, I'm sure you don't want to hear my voice, and you don't want me to commentate through this whole video. This one's really cool. It's a Chevy engine and a BMW. But anyway, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get out of the video, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy.
What are your drivers? The moment there, so you can hear that. Sorry guys, watch your back.
Yes, it's not on the left, like how you always expect it to be.
In the middle of the car.
Yeah, like the Le Mans car. It's on the right hand.
Wow.
Because the German driver.
It looks really similar to that. Yeah, it looks really similar. You saw that one? Yeah, basically. Well, like that's the shop. Like British car shop a small one. Like do one day, but
Nose step. I always like nose step.
2001.
Military stenciling, like the nose step.
I'm the regional director.
Yeah, it's big.
It is. Yeah. This is very much Oh, I love how
See a lot of
was that Lightning McQueen? Let's go check out
Yeah.
I don't think the middle of the pandemic